Hello, world explorers and culture enthusiasts. Welcome to Abroadmic, your go-to destination for all things travel, study, and life abroad. Buckle up your seatbelts because in today's episode, we're embarking on yet another exciting adventure across the globe. We'll be diving deep into the world of academia and technology, exploring the prestigious and innovative Massachusetts Institute of Technology, widely known as MIT. From its foundation amidst a nation at war, to its unique traditions, noteworthy achievements, and where it stands today, we'll be taking you through an exhilarating journey of discovery. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed by the remarkable story of MIT, a pioneer of modern education and innovation that has left its indelible mark on the world. Let's set the stage, shall we? The year is 1861, and the United States is on the brink of civil war. Yet, in the midst of this chaos, visionaries were laying the groundwork for an institution that would change the world. Intrigued? Well, stay tuned as we delve into the foundation and early years of MIT in our next scene. Ever pondered about what led to the creation of the world-renowned Massachusetts Institute of Technology, better known as MIT? Well, let's start from the very beginning. Picture this. The year is 1861, and the United States is on the brink of civil war. Yet in the midst of this chaos, visionaries were laying the groundwork for an institution that would change the world. On April 10th, 2 days before the first shots of the American Civil War were fired, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology was founded. This was not just an ordinary establishment. It was built on the cornerstone of innovation, with a mission to advance knowledge in areas that would benefit the nation and the world. The founders had a vision to create a place where rigorous scientific instruction was intertwined with real-world, practical technological applications. But the story of MIT is not just about the birth of another educational institution. It's about how it rose to the challenge of a changing world, and set the standard for technological education and research. Just imagine the audacity it took to dream of such an institution in the midst of a civil war. Now let's fast forward a bit to when MIT pioneered the first architecture program in the United States. This was not just about teaching students to design buildings, it was about the integration of art, science, and technology. It was about creating a new breed of architects who would shape the world, not just construct buildings. MIT's architecture program revolutionized the field. It was a testament to MIT's commitment to push the boundaries of education and research, to blur the lines between disciplines, and to challenge the status quo. Thus began a remarkable journey of an institution that would revolutionize the world. Stay tuned to learn more about how MIT's unique traditions and phenomena have shaped its history and contributed to its global reputation as a vanguard of innovation and knowledge. Did you know, MIT is not just about academics and research, but it also has some intriguing traditions and phenomena? Let's delve into the unique aspects that make MIT more than just a world-class educational institution. The first up is the Smoot measurement. In 1958, an MIT fraternity prank turned into a beloved tradition when Oliver Smoot, a freshman at the time, was used to measure the length of the Harvard Bridge. The bridge is now universally accepted as being approximately 365 smoots plus or minus an ear. Next, we have the infinite corridor phenomenon. This is a fascinating occurrence where, twice a year, the setting sun aligns perfectly with the length of the corridor that spans 850 feet across the main buildings of the campus. This phenomenon is a striking display of the intersection between nature and architecture, which is awaited with anticipation by the MIT community. How about earning a pirate license while pursuing your degree? Yes, you heard it right. MIT offers a pirate license to students who complete courses in archery, pistol, fencing, and sailing. This unique tradition adds a fun twist to the rigorous academic environment. MIT's hack culture deserves a special mention. These aren't malicious cyber attacks, but rather creative, elaborate pranks that showcase the students' inventive spirit. From police cars on rooftops to turning the Great Dome into R2-D2, these hacks are a testament to the ingenuity and humor of MIT students. Lastly, let's talk about TechZoo, a unique student community residing in East Campus. Known for their wild spirit, the Tedazoo dwellers are renowned for their love of puzzles, science fiction, and late-night intellectual debates. So MIT isn't just a hub of learning, it's a place where creativity and quirkiness are celebrated. The institute serves as an incubator not only for technological and scientific advancements, but also for unique traditions and phenomena that are as integral to the MIT experience as the academic programs. MIT's impact isn't confined to its campus. It has made groundbreaking contributions to the world. Interested to learn more? Let's dive into some of the institute's notable achievements. One of the most significant accomplishments was the discovery of the first human cancer gene. This monumental breakthrough took place right here, at MIT. This discovery has been instrumental in the ongoing fight against cancer, allowing for better diagnosis and treatment, and bringing hope to millions around the world. Now let's travel back in time to the year 1928. A group of innovative minds at MIT were hard at work on an invention that would forever change the world: the first computer. Known as the Whirlwind 1, this machine marked the dawn of the digital age. Today, this pioneering piece of technology can be admired at the MIT Museum, a testament to the institute's deep-rooted history and technological innovation. Moving on, let's talk about a revolution in education that has its roots at MIT. The institute, in a bold and visionary move, decided to make its course materials available to everyone for free. This initiative, known as Open Courseware, has transformed the landscape of education, making high-quality learning resources accessible to all, regardless of their geographical location or financial status. This has opened doors to knowledge for countless individuals across the globe. Finally, let's not forget the significant research projects undertaken by the Institute. These projects, spanning various cutting-edge fields, from artificial intelligence to climate science, are pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. They are paving the way for a brighter, more sustainable future, demonstrating MIT's commitment to solving the world's most pressing challenges. Indeed, MIT's contributions have been pivotal in shaping the world as we know it. Scene script: MIT continues to thrive as a leading institution. Want to know what makes it so special today? Just look at the recent admission statistics. In 2026, over 33,000 hopefuls applied, with only 1,337 admitted. That's a mere 3.96%, marking MIT's selectivity and the high caliber of its students. Undergraduate study isn't cheap, with tuition and fees reaching $57,590 for 9 months. But don't let that discourage you. MIT is committed to making education accessible, offering substantial financial aid and enabling many to graduate debt-free. The student body is as diverse as it is brilliant, with over 11,000 students from different backgrounds and cultures. And the opportunities? They're vast. From a wide range of majors and minors to a unique pirate certificate, there's something for everyone. With its commitment to innovation, academic rigor, and diverse representation, MIT sets the benchmark for global education, making it one of the world's leading institutions. Before we wrap up our journey through the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, we'd like to take a moment to thank you, our viewers, for joining us on this educational adventure. We hope that our exploration of MIT has not only been informative, but also inspiring for those of you considering your own academic pursuits. If you've enjoyed this episode of Abroadmic, don't forget to show us some love by hitting that like button. Your support fuels our travels through the world's top institutions and destinations. We're always eager to hear your thoughts, so feel free to drop your suggestions or questions in the comments section below. Maybe there's a particular university or country you'd like us to feature next. To ensure you don't miss out on our next adventure, remember to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. This way, you'll be the first to know when we release a new episode. Whether you're a prospective student, a curious traveler, or a lifelong learner, we hope that Abroadmic continues to be a source of inspiration and knowledge for you. Until our next journey together, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and safe travels to all our viewers around the world.